Hello everyone, welcome to the first chapter of our module Basics to Stock Market. This chapter will be divided into four parts. 1. What is stock or share? What is stock market? What is share market? Why do companies offer shares to public, and how do companies offer shares to public? So let's start with our first part. What is stock or shares? Stock consists of shares of which total ownership of a company is divided. The owner or holder of a share of a single share is known as a shareholder. Let's start with an example first. For instance, Mohit owns a company named ABC Limited. Now, seeing the performance of the company, a person named Mr. Ramesh is interested in buying 25% shares in the company, or you can say he wants to become a partner in the company with 25% holding. So Mohit decided to distribute that company into four equal parts. You can say he divided the capital of the whole company or the ownership of the whole company into four different parts and offered one part, that is 25% of that company, to Mr. Ramesh for 1 crore rupees. Mr. Ramesh gave 1 crore rupees to Mohit, and Mohit in writing gave an undertaking to Mr. Ramesh that he is now part of this company ABC Limited for 25% shares, or you can say 1 out of 4 shares he is owned by Mr. Ramesh now. So from now onwards, Mr. Ramesh will be earning 25% of total profits of this company ABC Limited. So from this example, we can derive the following information, like there are total 4 shares in the company. 3 of them are held by Mr. Mohit and 1 is held by Mr. Ramesh. That is 75% of the total company is held by Mr. Mohit and 25%, that is 1 share, is held by Mr. Ramesh. And yeah, please remember, this is just an example for reference. In real life, the companies are divided into lakhs and crores of smaller units known as shares. Now, why do companies offer shares to public? Majorly, there are 5 important reasons why companies offer shares to general public. Maybe for more funding in order to raise capital for future expansion. Early exits. Sometimes the early investors, partners, or even founders want to liquidate their portion from the company by making multiple times of their profits of their initial investments. Credibility. It helps in increasing the credibility of the company so that they can easily avail the loan or from the institutions, banks later on. Edge over others. Listing on exchange is a matter of reputation and goodwill. It helps the company to give an edge over their competitors and other stakeholders. And building wealth. If a listed company is managed well, it can give a multiple times of returns to the early investors, promoters in the longer run. Now, how do companies offer shares to public? There are 4 broad ways that a company offers shares to public: through private placement, IPO, FPO, and rights issue. When promoter of the companies directly contact HNIs, institutions, or venture capitalists for investment in exchange of shares, they go through private placement ways. The companies that goes through private placement ways are not listed on any stock exchange. The trading of shares on these companies are held privately. Going through IPO, initial public offer. When a company is interested in acquiring funds from general public, they go through the method of IPO, initial public offer. FPO. When an already listed company acquires more funds from the general public, they have to go through the FPO route, follow on public offer. Rights issue. When an already listed company wants to acquire more funds, they can give an exclusive rights to its already existing shareholders for more funds. Generally, these types of issues are presented at discounted price from the market. Now, last part of this segment, what is stock or share market? Just like any other market, share market is a platform where buyers and sellers meet, negotiate, trade, and transfer the goods. Here you can say shares in exchange of money. Just like any other market, there can be multiple share markets selling the same company's shares, widely known as exchange. In India, there are 2 major exchanges, NSE and BSE. In India, only few authorized and registered persons are allowed to trade and interact with the stock market, known as share brokers. Stockbrokers interact and trade and transfer the shares in the stock market on behalf of other traders. So चलें फिर मिलते हैं अपने अगले चैप्टर में, that is market participants.